Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have some full-body character art sets by Fuyukuma, a nice variety of music by Michael. He provides a loop version with each track, which makes them easier to use in our games. An MV plugin by Gimma that allows adding mirror reflections to the walls for our sprites and characters. A plugin by Lulu's Church that allows showing multiple images at game's launch, with the feature to skip them if the player presses a key, compatible with both MV and MZ. A plugin to add multi-line text and choices for MZ by Magnus Reben Peterson. An article tutorial by Hidden One on inventing an in-game book with pictures. And lastly, a fun video by Minmo dissecting RPG Maker horror games. That's it for today. When a plugin comes out that you like, then stress test it in your project for bugs, and let the developer know if you break anything so they can improve and optimize their plugin.